Hey y'all, welcome to Ivy Wiggin. I'm Sandy. I want to tell you a secret. I always secretly desired to be a redhead. I have envied redheads. I have friends that are redheads, and I'm thinking, oh, your hair is so beautiful. But I knew I never had the hair to pull it off. But with a wig, I can do it. I've been blondes, I've been brunettes, but I have to tell you, I think my sweet spot are the reds. So I'm really excited to share this wig with you. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. I had to put my glasses on, y'all, because I can't see nothing without them. But the wig I'm going to share with you today is from Wigshe. Now, I have partnered with Wigshe for almost 2 years now, and I wanted to show you the very first wig that I ever received from them. It was wig 48, and it has been one of their most popular wigs on their website since then. Now, at the time, I chose 150 density and 22 inches long. I was a wig hog. And I've since discovered that was a little too much for me. I pulled it back a little. 120 density and 20 inches is my sweet spot. But I wanted to show you the wig so you could see that your wig will last you a long time if you take the proper care. Now, it's not going to have the same shine and luster that it did when you first got it out of the box, but it's still going to feel soft and be in really good condition. I've washed it several times. I always use a high quality shampoo and conditioner, and then I will condition the ends with an oil after I wear it. I store it out of the sunlight. That keeps it from fading too quickly, but it really has been one of my favorite wigs to wear, and I've enjoyed my Wigshe wigs. They've given me a code, Ivy Wiggin, that will save you 10% off at time of checkout, and you can use that as many times as you want to. This is wig 111. It is a new arrival at Wigshe. When you go to the website, you will choose the category wigs. It'll pull up a page, and over to the left, you'll select new arrivals, and you'll see pictures of moi. You found it. What I love about Wigshe is that their wigs are customizable. You can choose your length. You can start from 12 inches and go all the way to 22. Now, of course, the price range is going to go up with the more hair you select. The next, you get to choose your density. 120 or 150. This one is a 120. The next selection is your cap. You can choose between a lace front cap or a full lace cap. The next selection is the cap size. They have small, average, and large. The average is also considered medium. I've always worn the medium. I'm a 22.5-inch circumference, and it fits me perfectly. The next choice is how you want your knots to appear. Do you want them fully bleached or lightly bleached? I've always chosen the lightly bleached. And then your next selection is any special requests that you have when you choose your wig. When you receive the wig, it has a lace that you'll have to cut. Now, my best practice is to put it on a mannequin head, and I will trim it within a half an inch to a quarter inch at the hairline. Now, if you want to go all the way to the hairline, that's totally up to you. But I do like to leave a little bit of lace there because over time the lace is going to fray. Now, I don't know what I caught myself doing. I trimmed it a whole lot more than I ever have before. I was must have been watching Downton Abbey or something because I got crazy when I cut the lace this time, more than I've ever done it before. So I would suggest that you don't do that. Do as I say, not as I do, and leave yourself some lace there to just tweak it. Go in stages because you can't put it back. But here's my look at the lace front. You'll see that they use small knots, which makes it really natural in appearance. That lace goes all the way to that ear tab. You'll cut it um, to the ear tab, and then the hairline looks really natural in appearance. They use small knots, which I love, and then those are lightly bleached. This wig is 20 inches in length. I will list my measurements so you can compare it to your own and get a general idea of where the wig will fall on you. Wigs typically look shorter on me because I have longer measurements. This is 120 in density. Now, I feel like it's on the higher end of 120, probably closer to 130 in density. This is what a ponytail would look like. So that gives you kind of an idea of the density on the wig. It is not as heavy as 150, but it's on the higher end of 120 in density. So let's take a look at it all the way around. There is slight layering in the wig, but not a lot. So, do you recall a year or so ago when all the rage was cowboy copper? Everybody wanted that shade in their hair. Even I did. I don't have a lot of hair, but I went to my stylist and we were having the conversation, and she said, "Do you know what you're asking to get this shade?" Well, she quickly talked me out of it, and I thought, well, I'll just get a wig. And so here I am, and I'm telling y'all, it is stunning. I've worn blondes and browns, all the colors, but reds are the shades that I always get stopped and complimented on my hair because it's just dynamic. It catches your eye. But this isn't just copper hair, it has a chocolate brown that is weaved into the shade that gives it the warmth, the depth, and the dimension. Let me show you a piece of that chocolate so you can see what I'm talking about. I think that's it. Yeah, that's the chocolate. It is so pretty, y'all. And as I said, it gives it the dimension, it gives it the depth, and it is just a stunning dimensional shade. There is no root on it, which is what I wanted. I just wanted it to look like I went to the salon and got this awesome shade done, and they really did an outstanding job. Have a hand-tied lace top that allows you to change your part in any direction. You have pressure clips on the ears for security. Those are removable, as well as the comb that is at the crown area. You have a closed wefted cap, a comb that you can also remove at the nape if you don't want it there, and you have hook straps that you can move in to meet your circumference. And here's another look at the shade on wig 111. I want to thank my friends at Wigshe for sending me this wig to share with you all. There will be a direct link to shop in the description box below with a code that will save you 10% off at time of checkout. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time at I Be Wiggin'. Bye-bye.